What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stock right here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at one of the biggest stocks out there, Tesla. And with the look of things right now, Tesla is doing very well. It has broken major resistance, especially given the fact that if you look at it from the monthly time frame right here, yes, Tesla is actually ready to rally massively. We should be expecting a very massive move for Tesla, especially like I said, $600 is coming for Tesla. So right now, I made it known to us from my previous video also that you could see we have been trying to break above this resistance for a very long time. We finally broke above this resistance at $350. We broke out of that resistance. We came all the way down to find support around here, retest it, and this monthly candle happens to be the confirmation candle. So I think there is every possible chances for Tesla to break above this resistance at $411 or $415, break out, find support, then we could rally all the way into the $600 resistance or level. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from Tesla. Yes, and looking at the looking at the news right here, you could see it clearly that according to the headlines right here, federal judge rejects immediate approval of Elon Musk's 1.5 million SEC settlement. And with the look of things right here, you could also see that investing.com, a federal judge in Washington, D.C., has declined to rubber stamp a $1.5 million settlement between Elon Musk and the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, which is the SEC. According to a Friday ruling reported by Reuters, the U.S. District Judge Sparku Suknanan stated that she requires more comprehensive information regarding how the accord was reached before she can determine if the agreement is fair to both parties and consistent with the broader public interest. So with the look of things right here, you could see that the settlement was intended to resolve a long-standing SEC lawsuit alleging that Musk violated federal security law by waiting 11 days too long to disclose that he had acquired a 5% stake in Twitter in early 2022. So according to the Reuters report, the regulation accused Musk of saving approximately $150 million by continuing to purchase shares at lower prices before his 9.2% stake was eventually made public in April of that year. Musk, the world's wealthiest person, completed his acquisition of the social media platform for $44 billion 6 months later and has since renamed the entity to X. So he changed the branding for Twitter into X. In her order, Judge Suknan emphasized that her role involves ensuring the settlement is not tainted by improper conclusion or corruption. The timing of the litigation and subsequent settlements has remained a point of public discussion as the SEC filed the suit on January 14, 2025 during the final days of the Biden administration. Musk has repeatedly characterized the legal action as politically motivated and argued that the delayed filing was an inadvertent error. So without wasting much of your time, this doesn't even have much to do with the stock. So, that is definitely not something you have to be worried about, the headline that I just read. So looking at things right here, we could see there is also some, form of trend line right here, which I can, draw out of here. So we could say that probably in the future when, Tesla is probably trying to crash probably this year after the whole AI bubble thing, and stocks are probably trying to find some level of support or a ground to find to use that support. We could probably drop below this around this level at 370, 350 plus dollars. But you know, that doesn't change the fact that regardless of wherever we'll be falling from $900 or $600, Tesla is not still looking strong. Tesla is most likely going to be looking strong. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend too. Peace out.